se oka nkrofo na wo modwen se Anas Aremeyaw na sebe we bejai ni investigation pieces a eya wo ye no esan se Kennedy Japan eden bi ebeto ne so dia and that made the disappointment bro because Anas amayenka say what the new expose ba also you better as subscribe and click the notification bell on so we hear the latest news be about once ebeka post no eda menim say Anas Aremeyaw na so post here e Facebook na me read the post no atchemu na ya domo suko na yehu ade abode ba ye wi a emre e wo ho a ye behwe Ghana for reaction towards this. Will people be bashing Anas or people will be supporting him this time around? Because the expose abode no unlike a year GFAD, this one he's not going at political heads. He's not going at a year some people in big offices. We Accra city guards for what you say. You know, this one you better say still in bash Anasa. Now was it lives have been lost. That was the opening statement. Was it lives have been lost, businesses closed, dreams shattered. Their very presence looks like order, but they have a secret. Was it sabi ebimo ashre womo nkwa ebimo womo adwuma asai ebimo so sabi womo leader so asai kojoto na asama Anas e kanu uba bisa se what the hwan e na Anas esanso e de boss so say their very presence looks like order na say nkofo no wo hu omo a akoye se oh we hu omo nti no bibia edadin ana we hu omo nti no basabasa yo bia enye den ensi but they have a secret na say ensembi ehhehye sumase was it for over 6 months Anas Aremeyaw Anas and the Tiger Eye team worked as drivers and traders in Accra's Central Business District. Now the work no and say Accra ankasa baby asebe go food big ankasa no Accra Central ye ka Accra Central Kantamanto area hono ho ene efe na Accra Central Ministries area hono won say ho na sebe edwa kese ekoso wo ho me wose Accra Central hono wono Anas ene ne team omo yusu busume bako 6 womo ye womo ho say womo ye drivers womo sanso ye womo ho say womo ye dwadefo na nini nemu no womo ye say womo be monitor the activities of city gas ye ka city gas a Accra city gas no ye womo asebe abai edi omo esi ho say womo hwe say law and order will go on in the city. It's in a way no city gas ye beka say womo ye security agents and security enforcers what you say eto de bia womo hye atare bia wo hu ma obefi say womo ye police for but womo no ye from Accra city gas and ye from city gas it Anas say for 6 months womo ye womo ho say drivers womo sanso ye womo ho say womo ye dwadefo na ni nemu no de na womo pese womo ye no say womo investigate sa city gas fui because our city gas fui you know to say they are engaged in cases of abuse of power. Not just say a son say atare no mo hye na nkofu susu say womo ye police and say be ye di omo esi ho say womo seek the security concerns of people nti no womo abuse power na so obeka I think last year video be eba viral of a city guard ni bia na wo bu obi what you say not just say abuse of power no womo sanso take bribes na bribes no womo gi every sebe womo a womo ton ade ho womo asabe womo ton ade wo traffic mu womo a womo su ade edenam Accra no sa city guard fu ya ye de omo esi wo so mu ye omo djuma no womo de wo djuma no gi bribe efi san krofu we ho womo san so gi bribe efi drivers ho na drivers na ye gi bribe efi omo ho no we ye drivers asabe womo nkrata enye say womo de betwi car no city guard for gi bribe efi omo ho na womo ho kwan say womo ntwi car no was it these guys did not issue receipts nor did they take the perpetrators through any official procedures. Not just a sebe city gas womo just car womo fa receipt but not just a car e was a call ema aban what they put njuma no city gas womo just kana womo ma receipt out not just a womo keep cano. I say find out in this multi-part undercover investigation coming out soon. Anas mandate but send away who know what title no abaye not just a sebe wo mo aye de omo esi ho say wo mo hwe dwadefo na womoma law and order ensin womu jijiska ebu ebimo na senya Anas etre no ya bu ebimu ma ebimu ewu ebimu ya bu omo amasabi womu edwa ya sen no ebimu so sabi womu ni daso no ya hye no kodwoto just because city gas yi womu ayo mo agen say womu use law no emfa nye adwuma Anas the new expose na wode ba na tiefo we know it's not at any political head into me person me reading the reaction because any ayenim it's every time Kennedy Japan ebe kasa efa Anas no yeni say Ghana no obi apa Anas asem every time Kennedy Japan be kasa fa Anas no we saw a divided attention nkrofo edia na Anas nkrofo 10 na feeling na we say 5 for be feeling still 5 for penasem you know this particular one I want to read the concern of Ghanaians na yehwe say Ghana for still one more believe Anas na asema will be eka and say chale earthquake will happen suddenly and I can't wait Jesui Anas na Jesui Anas na abrante de source no and say I am Anas a French no will be so essay I said Anas was working was expecting something from the presidency though and then asema will be eka and the bakone say for some time they want say Anas nka no de bia wo kan say by this time Anas will go adwuma ne kremu so Anas yi bo adwuma obi so say Anas again Ghana is blessed for having you and your crew good job done we are waiting anxiously to view it but please I want you to investigate the looting that is going on at Controller and Accountant General Department and only sema will be so ediaba obi so say keep on keeping on. Forget this our LPP, for we have known them all. Good job done. It also generally Ghanaians are happy. And before I can say, Anas, ya train watch it. Obi also say, God bless your works, Mr. Anas. I have been wondering about the amount of money these people take and use it for free. Government can even utilize it on our poor roads, but it is unfortunate that our trusted city guards, especially the police, chop it up for free. I wish you did this investigation in Kumasi. And only asema will be so air can say Anas and ya me kresa nkrofo wo mu diska because so sha say 100 cedis because so sha say 1 cedi bribe can no ogia wo mu tumi gia a day wo betumi nya be 100 cedis so wo betumi nya be 100 cedis na ketu amba yo but a day wo nya be 100 cedis nti wo bi kan say mo no di onim say nkrofo we wo mo je bribe pan or da Anas ase na Anas ya won bra Kumasi Central Market won san so embeye wo ho na ho so dwuedie na ekoso wo ho obi say the more the corrupt officials and their likes distract the more God lifts you up. Congratulations on this one Anas. God will continue to protect you in your field of work. Obi also say I felt so sad yesterday at Ashaiman when I saw this Abaye people taking houseless items trying to make some ends meet for living in this hardship. That is what be I say one no who be paying. Say Jadini asebe Ghana ye din say wo didwa. Sa Abaye foi sa city gas foi wo mo ko je Jadini no ni nyama. Na etiefo amama kan ma asem bi amenso this year ya eto me na enya me per se abrantie bi a woton belt. Then also eto me washama ho na this year earlier this year I think it was around February. And also to me say me pe belt ato ena me du ashama na me na anti afem ena wa wonim say sebe ashama young boys bi wo mo kra belt a wo mo ton wo mo hase wo mo ne hwe san grofo no ne baby kra da belt a wo mo ton kra no wo mo last this is beba kwa heka wo bi ena abo mo bosia ena wo mo de akwaje belt a wo mo de beton e wo street ne so na ehwa na me see African mo say oh me hu say abrante no eton belt na wo no kra wo hu mia na oban me ena me ka den so wo me kra me pe belt iti yenko baby na trese wo yi belt ni bi ma me na me nya den me fa nhye me ho na ekomia na mato na wo yi belt ba kuma me ehwa na say city guard di gidigidi wa ba be twe belt na fi belt ni abrante kita o wa be twe ni fi abrante ni nsem tese wa twe ni aso we ngina ho say oh sebe me ne nkasa kra say oh ono de mesre no me na megina abrante ne say me to belt no nti e me fault nti u de bibi kra na me na say wo ye den water keme but what dear branch and the belt na na say within just 30 seconds yen hu be dia eye city guard wo fire na say what the belt no call a branch and ni sika ne ahye etie for sa day no me day ni aseye because na me trust ka e wo me ho nti a branch and say me to me am man ska just say me day ni abaye basa say city guard wo ye a branch yi say na wona be bisa branch and say na sebe adena eye city guard here no because me kam yem sheme all of a sudden wo pa ya no J belt no me kam yem sheme nti wona me bisa say oh na sisi asen no be ye age ne belt no say ngrofo we dey sao se sisi o person age ne belt a eje wo peska bi na wo de command sa city guard na tese wo de belt no ema no wono so wo baaye won sheda nya aska bi aye etiefo awrawosem a eto me nti no se ana se di BBC ba ne ya hwe se nkrofo we sebe wo mu gu nkrofo adwuma I think I support Anas in this. Montreal madwe wa comment box metie for me da say